Hey friends, the DeFi Doctor here. I'm the head of education at Decentralized Masters, the home of expert crypto education. And today we're talking about the holy grail, passive income. It's that two-word combination that everyone is after, being able to make money while you're sleeping. Stick around because in this video, I'm going to reveal the top ways to earn passive income in crypto even during a bear market. If you've ever wondered how to make your crypto work for you instead of just sitting in your wallet, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 5 simple, actionable ways to generate passive income with cryptocurrencies, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor. The first method is crypto mining. Crypto mining was the original way to earn a passive income. Crypto mining is the process of using computer power to validate transactions on a blockchain network, earning rewards in the form of new coins. It can be done with your own hardware or through cloud mining, where you rent processing power from a company for a hands-off approach. Back in the early 2010s, you could mine Bitcoin and Ethereum right from your laptop. Unfortunately, now Bitcoin mining has evolved and does require costly machines called ASIC miners that require lots of power and are also very, very noisy. That's certainly something not everyone wants to operate from their home. And that's why now there are cloud mining operations where you can rent space in a data center and have a Bitcoin miner operating for you. It's super low maintenance since you rent hash power from the company that manages the hardware, electricity, and cooling for you. No noisy rigs or expensive power bills at home. It's also very beginner friendly, requiring very little technical knowledge. Just pick a plan and start earning. If you're not using a cloud instance, crypto mining does have some downsides. It requires substantial upfront investments, and profitability largely depends on how cheap your power is and the price of the token you are mining. Crypto mining has also attracted attention from lawmakers around the world, as some people see it as being not environmentally friendly, regardless of whether that's factual or not. That's why blockchains like Ethereum created a proof of stake system, which introduces the next way you can get passive income from crypto: staking your crypto. Staking involves locking up your cryptocurrency in a wallet to support a blockchain network's operations, like validating transactions in a system called proof of stake. In return, you earn rewards, typically paid out in the same cryptocurrency, similar to earning interest in a savings account. To get started, you pick a proof of stake based coin. Stake it through a wallet or exchange like Binance or Coinbase, but those exchanges will often take a cut of your staking earnings. That's why in our DeFi Masterclass, we teach our members to become their own bank so they don't have to share staking rewards with centralized exchanges. The more you stake and the longer you commit, the higher the rewards, through the power of compound interest, making it truly a passive income stream. Popular examples of proof of stake tokens include Ethereum or ETH, Cardano, ADA, and Polkadot. Staking rewards have a wide range of rewards and change day by day, but you can expect an average of about 3% to 10% annually, depending on the token and the platform. While staking is low risk compared to trading and easy to get involved in compared to mining, it's not without its own downsides. Your funds are locked for a set period of time, and rewards can fluctuate with market conditions. Still, it's a solid option for steady crypto income. Yield-bearing tokens. A very new way of earning passive income in crypto is holding yield-bearing stablecoins. First off, what is a stablecoin? It's a cryptocurrency designed to have a stable price, typically pegged to the US dollar. One stablecoin equals $1. Yield-bearing stablecoins also generate yield over time, similar to a fixed deposit or a treasury bond. And that's because a lot of yield-bearing stablecoins, like Ondo's USDY, are actually getting that yield from US treasuries and bank deposits, and then it's passed on to the holders of the token. These types of tokens are proving to have an important role in crypto downtrends. Last time there was a bear market, liquidity left the crypto ecosystem looking for safe yields in US treasury bonds. Now people who want to get out of volatile tokens and want to get safe yield don't have to exit crypto entirely. They just have to move their holdings to a yield-bearing stablecoin to achieve safe and secure yield, even in a bear market. Lending. Another great way to earn passive income is crypto lending. Think of it as letting your coins work like a bank loan, except you are the bank. You deposit your crypto, like Ethereum or stablecoins like USDC, into a platform like Aave and MakerDAO, now Sky.Money, and they lend it out to borrowers, paying you interest in return. It's super straightforward. Connect your wallet, transfer your funds, and watch the profits roll in monthly or weekly, all with minimal effort. This method is perfect if you want steady returns without market volatility. In 2025, trusted platforms have made it safer, though you're still at risk if the company fails or gets hacked. Compared to mining's energy costs or staking's lockups, lending offers flexibility. You can withdraw your funds anytime you want. Last but certainly not least, we get to liquidity pools. Liquidity pools offer the highest possibilities of returns out of all of the other passive income methods we mentioned here today, but they also come with the most risk. Liquidity pools are complicated, and we have hours of content teaching how liquidity pools work on the Decentralized Masters platform. But just with the time I have here, they work by putting two different types of tokens like ETH and USDT into platforms such as Uniswap or PancakeSwap, where you act as the liquidity provider, allowing traders to trade between the two tokens you have in your pool. You take a small fee for every trade that passes through your pool. It's kind of like running a toll booth on a crypto highway, or acting as your own brokerage account, taking a commission on every trade that happens. At Decentralized Masters, we will guide you through liquidity pools, helping you maximize profits and navigate tricky spots. Sure, impermanent loss, the main risk you'll face using liquidity pools, could put a sting if prices swing. But unlike mining's tech headaches or lending's centralized risks, liquidity pools are decentralized, and if set up correctly, can be very low maintenance after launch. Well, there you have it. 5 killer ways to earn passive income with crypto in 2025. Each method is unique, so experiment and find the one that best suits your investing style. At Decentralized Masters, we're here to help you cut through the noise with expert tips, especially on mastering those liquidity pools like a pro. Yes, there are risks, energy costs, locked funds, platform hiccups, or impermanent loss, but the potential to build wealth while you sleep is real. Drop a comment below on what methods you're currently using in the crypto space. Subscribe for more crypto classes and head to our website for step-by-step guides on how to get started today. Until next time, my friends, take care.